these fluorescents. That's just getting all over you, bro. Yeah, that's like mercury. That sucks. Well, alright. Here, give him the right shield.
Oh, but then I have to grab my rifle.
Go get your rifle.
We need our medic alive, man. Give him the shield. Like, that shield's the best thing for him.
You give him that, I'll watch your back with us. You have your sidearm.
Oh, because he has to have a phone. No, he doesn't. He's medic. Sure?
Yep. Watch your feet.
Just fall. Yeah, it's a workout. You'll feel it in your thighs. That's for sure.
But just keep in mind, now you won't be able to run as fast as you want to. Not with that.
That's alright.
Is it heavy?
Orange team. Down there.
Let's go. Alright, sticking together, boys. Yeah. I know, I was like, Mike. Yeah. Alright, I'll be support. I got a shit ton of ammo.
Shit. You got any gas on your push? Oh no, you wouldn't need any.
Yeah.
Hold on, ain't there a shotgun back here?
Hey, I know. I was like, where's the shotty?
Shotgun gun was back here.
We need a supply drop.
What happened to the shotgun that was back here? Moved it.
Is that Canada's airsoft?
Yeah, what about this nail gun?
I'll roll around it.
Yeah, it's pneumatic. Is this fully auto? Alright, keep the medic alive. Where is the medic going?
go after your medic, right?
Gotcha, bitch. Michael! Where'd you go? We lost our medic? What the fuck, Mike? Okay, can I be the medic? Can I grab the shield? We lost our medic.
I know it.
Alright, I'm flanking right. Like, you're gonna play it smart. Oh, he's laying in the middle of fucking... Here, I'm gonna take a picture of him. Hey, Mike! I'll shoot him. In that building. Hey, left side! Hey! Left side, right behind you. Brown barrier, brown wall, brown wall. Right behind that wall, right there, the windows. I shot him in the hand, but he's not calling it. We got some coming left side too. The guy in the maroon shirt, is he on our team? Bigger guy? Yeah. I got the medic. Yeah, I got him. We got two guys over here. Probably. Getting shut the fuck up. Game.
I turned to figure, I was like, alright, well you shot me, but then I saw you playing shooting and you got the guy out of your own spawn. I'm like, wait, was he on our team and he killed
I
him?
didn't know if it was, but then you
That guy in the camera that you were shooting was literally walking out of your spawn. I'm like, wait a second, is he on our... Did I die to friendly fire? And then I saw him tip him like, okay.